The real revolution wasn't technical, it was legal and structural. RISC-V was began as a goal to make practical ISA that was open sourced. It was academic project. Now the geopolitical map, ARM's entire business model is licensing proprietary ISA designs. He paid $32 billion for ARM in 2016. So the RISC-V was born at a USC with DARPA funding, but then China sees RISC-V as an opportunity to enhance its self-innovation capabilities, foster self-sufficiency, and navigate. It's an open source architecture that China is trying to sort of like
push at every level. Xi Jinping, he's well enough awareness to understand way beyond what our legislators and political leaders understand. That strategically, and China doesn't need to make money off of intellectual property because they're funding everything themselves, but not telling it. So they don't need to have a proprietary architecture. Forget about the proprietary stuff. Let's just do everything open source because we're like a communist country and we can pull that off.